Revelations on two scandals involving Governor Cuomo. There are charges that his aides intervened to change the data on nursing home deaths. This as one of the women accusing the governor of sexual harassment speaks out on camera for the first time. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer with more.
I was just terrified.
They are words that expose her wounds. 25-year-old Charlotte Bennett speaking from the heart exclusively to CBS Evening News anchor Norah O'Donnell about her charges the governor sexually harassed her.
He is a textbook abuser. He lets his temper and his anger rule the office.
Charlotte Bennett is one of three women pointing their fingers at Governor Cuomo. She charged that last May he asked her what she called inappropriate questions that made her think he wanted to have sexual relations with her. She said Cuomo repeatedly asked her about being a rape survivor.
Why do you think he was fixated on you as a survivor of sexual assault?
I think it's really strategic. I think abusers look for vulnerabilities, previous traumas, the idea that maybe I'm more willing to accept behavior because I have a history of sexual violence. Perhaps I'm not as confident in myself because of my history.
Bennett's interview is not the only problem for Cuomo. Published reports by the New York Times and Wall Street Journal charge that top aides to the governor intervened to rewrite a July Department of Health draft report on nursing home deaths to conceal the actual number of people who passed away. It was a problem because of a March 25th Department of Health order that said nursing homes should accept the return of patients who had COVID and had been treated in hospitals. According to the papers, the draft report said that nearly 10,000 nursing home residents died from the coronavirus, but after the alleged rewrite, which excluded patients transferred to hospitals who later died, the public was told the number of people who died was 6,432. Beth Garvey, special counsel to the governor, issued a statement saying, quote, "The out-of-facility data was omitted after DOH could not confirm it had been adequately verified. This did not change the conclusion of the report, which was and is that the March 25th order was, quote, not a driver of nursing home infections or fatalities." Federal prosecutors are investigating the alleged cover-up of nursing home fatalities. The governor has publicly apologized to Bennett and said he never touched anyone inappropriately. I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.